Welcome to the Modern Pulse, your go-to channel for the latest in luxury automobiles, cutting-edge technology, and in-depth car reviews. Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Range Rover Sport SV, a high-performance SUV that redefines power, luxury, and advanced engineering. With its bold design, exhilarating performance, and top-tier features, this SUV is crafted to impress enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. Let's explore what makes this model stand out. The exterior design of the 2025 Range Rover Sport SV is a perfect blend of sophistication and aggression. With its aerodynamic enhancements, including a redefined front bumper, larger air intakes, and a muscular stance, it commands attention on the road. The blacked-out grille, sleek LED headlights, and signature SV badging add to its road presence. Its 23-inch forged alloy wheels, available in multiple finishes, further accentuate the sporty appeal. A lightweight carbon fiber hood is also an option, reducing weight while enhancing performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover Sport SV boasts a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an astounding 626 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. This engine is sourced from BMW and finely tuned by Land Rover engineers for an exhilarating driving experience. With an advanced all-wheel drive system, rear-wheel steering, and adaptive dynamics, this SUV is built to handle tight corners and open highways with ease. It achieves a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.6 seconds, making it the fastest Range Rover Sport ever produced. The new 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless power delivery, while the active exhaust system provides a thrilling soundtrack with every acceleration. The advanced suspension system in the 2025 Range Rover Sport SV is another highlight. The SUV features the innovative 6D Dynamics air suspension, eliminating traditional anti-roll bars for better handling and stability. This technology significantly reduces body roll during sharp turns, making the drive more composed and engaging. The air suspension can also adjust ride height dynamically, improving both comfort and off-road capability. Speaking of off-road prowess, this model continues to uphold the brand's legendary off-road heritage with terrain response 2, allowing drivers to customize settings based on the terrain they are navigating. Stepping inside, the cabin of the 2025 Range Rover Sport SV is a masterpiece of modern luxury and advanced technology. Premium materials like Windsor leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim adorn the interior, exuding elegance and sportiness. The new SV Performance seats offer increased bolstering for enhanced support, with integrated heating, cooling, and massage functions. The driver-focused cockpit is designed for convenience and control, featuring a 13.1-inch curved touchscreen infotainment system with the latest Pivi Pro software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a state-of-the-art Meridian signature sound system for an immersive audio experience. Another key highlight is the new haptic feedback steering wheel, enhancing driver engagement with touch-sensitive controls. The fully digital 13.7-inch instrument cluster provides real-time driving data with customizable displays, while the head-up display ensures essential information is always within view. Rear passengers are treated to a first-class experience with optional entertainment screens, climate control settings, and enhanced legroom. Safety and driver assistance technology are at the forefront of the 2025 Range Rover Sport SV. Equipped with an advanced suite of sensors and cameras, the vehicle offers adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic emergency braking. The new AI-driven predictive safety system enhances situational awareness, anticipating potential hazards and assisting the driver accordingly. Customization options are extensive, with a range of exclusive paint finishes, interior themes, and performance upgrades. The Special Vehicle Operations (SVO) division provides bespoke detailing, allowing buyers to personalize their SUV to match their style. Whether you prefer a stealthy blacked-out look or a more aggressive race-inspired aesthetic, the customization possibilities are virtually endless. The 2025 Range Rover Sport SV is not just about performance and luxury but also about innovation. It features an updated plug-in hybrid variant with an extended electric range, catering to those who seek efficiency without compromising power. The new lightweight chassis, made from a mix of aluminum and carbon fiber elements, improves both agility and fuel efficiency. This SUV perfectly balances refinement, capability, and cutting-edge technology, making it an ultimate choice for those who demand the best in every aspect of driving. With its blend of raw power, sophisticated design, and next-level comfort, the 2025 Range Rover Sport SV stands as a true icon in the high-performance luxury SUV segment. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Range Rover Sport SV. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest car releases, tech features, and automotive news, make sure to subscribe to the Modern Pulse. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below on what you think about this incredible SUV. See you in the next video.